Hey, what's going on, guys? Ramon Wilson here again on behalf of ramonrevenue.com, and today I'm going to make a video on how I created a two-button uh, capture page for the Well system. Okay, in this video, I'm going to have two buttons. One button will go to my actual $1 opt-in, where you receive your $1 opt-in after they actually confirm the email that they receive from Well system, and the other button will lead them directly to the $27 affiliate page where they can actually buy the system. So I'm actually going to be capturing on this side, and I'm also going to be offering them to go straight and buy it. And up here I'm going to have an actual video that basically leads them into either one of these buttons. So it's like the best of both worlds. All right, and I'm going to show you how you can change the background and all that right there. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to select this button right here. So it's going to take me to the actual page where I can actually edit all my information. All right, so up here I'm just going to make a basic title. So I'm going to call this just going to make up something, double opt in. Okay, down here I'm just going to put in capture. All right, now to change this right here, what you're going to do is, say for instance you wanted to use a YouTube video or some type of video off the internet, well mainly a YouTube video. Okay, I'm going to use some of my YouTube videos that I actually made on my channel. So what I'm going to do is to change this right here, what you want to do is you want to go and you want to make sure, first of all, before we go into that, first thing you want to do is if you want to actually change your background. Okay, if you want to change this background right here, what you do is, excuse me, you go to choose, you can either choose an image from the already made ones that they have in here. Okay, and they have a lot, and the actual program that I'm actually using is called the Conversion Pros. It's pretty easy. All right, so they have actual programs, backgrounds that you can actually choose to use for your background, or you can go here and you can provide your own. So say for instance I want to have, let's just say we wanted to have money back here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to Google and we're going to type in money. All right, and then we're just going to go to images. Okay, we're going to go to images, and as you can see, we got all these pictures of money. Okay, all these pictures of money. So what I want to do is I'm going to, let's say I want to use this one. Okay, we're going to try, we're going to use this one. So what you do is you just right click it, copy image address. All right, go to copy image address. We're going to go back to here and we're going to put that in there. All right, and then you just hit save lender and watch how the background will change. All right, watch how the background will change. Now you see that? See that, guys? See how I changed the background? All right, change the background to money. Okay, and it's as simple as that. Okay, very simple, very, very simple. Okay, now let's go ahead and change this down here. We want to change these buttons. Okay, we want to change it to what we want it to say. Okay, so you just click the edit design, edit text, and again, remember I said if you want to change your video. So first we're going to change this video. So to put my video up here, we're going to go over here to, I already have my video. This is one of my videos, my results after 1 week with Well system. So all you do is you go up here to your URL where your actual video is, and this little code after the equals, you're going to copy. I'm going to copy that. You're going to come over here because that's your video ID, and you're going to paste that in there. All right, and when you do that, okay, if we hit save lender, what that's going to do is it's going to bring up my video. Now you see my video right here. This is my video. All right, very simple. So now it's playing my video, guys. All right, now, and to do that, like I said, you click edit text and you go up here and you're going to take your video code from your video, whatever video you want to use on YouTube, any video, they all have a code at the end. You just copy that and you put it in here and you hit save ladder. And what's going to happen is it's going to take your video and upload it in here. Okay. Now, if I want to change these buttons, okay, so I want to change these. So all you do is just click on it and you can delete it. Okay, so I want this first button to take them to my actual landing page for the Wealth system, the $1 affiliate link page. Okay, so they will have to put in their name and email so I can convert that $1 that $1 commission. Okay, so what I'm going to do on there, I'm just going to put more info. Okay, and on this one, I'm just going to put buy now. Okay, now you're probably wondering, well, how are they going to be able to get to that page or my link? Okay, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a real simple way on how you can do that. So now we have our video up here, and now we're going to make these buttons clickable so they will take the our prospects or people that are interested in our business to those pages. So what you want to do is you want to go and click edit design. Okay, and look at that. You see right here, conversion pros. Ramon, you just got a lead. So I'm getting leads from my other pages that I've already made. So I just wanted to show you guys that. But what you want to do is you just double click on this. And when you double click that, the attribute editor will come up. So you can change the color of the font. So if I wanted to change the color of the font, right now it's white, and I want to make it darker so people can see it. So I'm going to make that black. So you hit choose, and now the text is black. Okay. Also, we want to make this this actual image clickable to send them to where we want them to go, right? So what we will do is you will go over here to link, and you will put your actual link in here. Okay, your actual link to your $25 or your $1. You're going to send it to your $1 opportunity. So what we want to do is we want to go over here to your actual back office, which is in Nanocast, and you want to get your affiliate link, okay, to your $1 commission opt-in. Okay, and we're going to put that link. All right, so we're going to scroll down. And here is our $1 link right here. We're going to copy it, and we're going to come back to here, and we're going to put it in here. Okay, we're going to put that in there, and I click open in new tab. All right, so now that we got this associated with our $1 opt-in, all you do, you come over and you hit save lander. And what happens is now when you click on this, once we save it, okay, and I'm going to go back and show you guys that this is affiliated with that $1 opt-in. So now we want to do the same thing when we go here. Now we want this to go to our $25 opt-in, where they can go straight and purchase the Wealth system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link, because this is my $27 commission, $27, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to double click this. It's going to bring up my attribute editor. All right, I'm going to change the text color to black so it's more viewable. I hit choose, buy now. I go to link, go here, and I'm going to paste my affiliate link that goes straight to that $27 opt-in. All right, Now that I got that, click open in new tab. So it's going to open in a new tab, and I just click save lander. All right. So now this is done. This is pretty much done, guys. All right. And also what I'm going to do is, just to make it more professional looking, okay, just to make it more professional looking, I'm going to add social media buttons. This is another cool thing. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go and I'm going to add my social media. Okay. So now this is my Facebook page. I'm going to copy and I'm going to put in my Facebook. I have a Twitter. I'm going to go to my Twitter. Okay. And I'm gonna paste in my Twitter account. So if they click on that, it's gonna go straight to my Twitter account. So here's my Twitter URL. I'm gonna copy. Okay. Go over here, paste this right in there. All right. I also have a YouTube channel. Okay. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel and I'm gonna paste in my YouTube channel. Here's my YouTube channel URL right here. Copy. As you can see, that's me. This is my YouTube channel. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to paste it in here. Then I'm just going to hit continue. Also, if you have a Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google Plus, or Instagram, you can add those URLs so the buttons will show up at the bottom as well. But I'm just going to use those three. So now, if I click here, you see that? It goes right to my Twitter. All right. If I click the Facebook icon, it goes to my Facebook, so they can follow me on Facebook. And as you can see, I started last week with 182. Now I'm up to 286 people that are following me. All right. And the same thing with your YouTube. If you click this, it will send them to your YouTube channel. I'm steadily gaining subscribers. I'm at 80. So the next video I'll probably show you guys, I may have a little bit more. All right. Very simple, guys. Very simple. Drag and drop. Okay. So I added my social media icons. I connected my dollar opt-in and the $27 program to these two buttons. Okay. I have a nice video that leads them into either one of these. Okay. So either they can want more information or they can actually buy it. So again, I'm just going to make sure I saved everything. Everything's good to go. All right. And now that that's saved, guys, I can go ahead and close this out. And now when I go to my landing page builder, okay, at the bottom, I should have that there. Remember, I named it capture. Here it is. And this is the cool thing about it, guys. Say, for instance, I had other individuals that were in Conversion Pros that use this software with me. I can actually get a share code, this code right here, copy it, give that to them, and they can use my same capture page, just change their name, their information, and they have the same funnel set up, guys. Same funnel set up. All right. So here's my link right here. So if I click on this, it's going to bring up that page I've already created. Look at that, guys. So now, again, they're going to watch my video. All right. If they want more info on how to get results like this or get the program, all right. And again, results are not typical, but are very attainable. All right. So not everybody's going to get results like me, but if you work hard like I'm doing and you put in a little effort, you can. So if they want more information, they click this, it's going to send them to where? Here it is. This is my dollar opt-in. Bam. When they put in their name and information, get instant access. Now I've captured their information. Okay. If they say, you know what? I want this system right now. I don't want to wait. Let me in now, Ramon. No problem. When they click this, it's going to send them to where? The $27 where they just go and straight buy it. See that? You see that, guys? See that? They go right here and they purchase it. Two buttons. So they got best of both. You get best of both worlds. They can either sign up for $1. No need to leave money on the table, or they can buy it. Now, and that's your actual page, okay? But what I do is I do something extra. Here's your link. This is where you would get your link to your capture page. So you just have to share this one capture page with individuals. If you go to get link, here is your actual link. Okay, so if I put this in the URL, it's going to take me to that page. All right, look at this. It's going to take them to my page. Here's my page that I just created in a matter of 5 minutes. All right, but what I do is I use the little bit link shortener. Okay, this way I can track. So if you can see, I track all my pages and all my capture pages that I use for Web Wealth System and my other opportunities. And it's real time. It tells you how many clicks, 835 clicks, and it actually shows me real time where in the world my clicks are coming from. Guys, if you cannot track your traffic, that is vital. You need to know. That way you know where your audience is coming from, so you can better prepare your campaigns and your marketing campaigns. All right. So what I do is I take that link that they gave me in Conversion Pros, I paste it in here. I hit shorten link. It shortens my link. Okay. And now this is my new link that I can now track and follow where my conversions are coming from for my page that I made. And what I do is, and if you actually refresh it, once you do that, it's going to have your new link right here. Here's that link. 0 clicks have clicked on it now. But this is the link. If you ever need it, you can go back and copy this and share it with people. Okay. So that is how simple it is to make a capture page for both options for the Web Wealth System. And now what I would do is I would go back and I would set up my autoresponder. So when people do, if you had an actual capture page where you received, they would have to put in their email and name if you created one. Another lead, guys, look at that, another lead. All right. If you had an actual page, like for instance, I will show you my other page that I created yesterday, and I'm actually getting traffic drawn to it. Now for this page right here, guys, as you can see, they would put in their name and email, and when they hit more info, all right, after they do that, this button, once they do that, it sends them straight to my $25, the $27 opt-in page. So instead of waiting for Web Wealth System, you're getting that dollar, okay, I went straight to the $27 option. Okay, so I'm creating my own list. Okay, I'm creating my own list, not just Web Wealth Systems list. I'm creating my own list. And as you can see, when they put in their name and information in my capture page that I created, see down here, 14 people have already put in their information. So now I have a email campaign that's already set up. Okay, look at this. Now they're going to receive, once they put their name and information in there, now instantly they're going to receive this first email, which inside that email has a link to the Web Wealth System. Okay, so I'm constantly hitting them with this opportunity. Then tomorrow they're going to receive another email that I created. Then the next day they're going to receive another one and another one and another one, and I just keep adding. I have up to 9 right now, and later today I'm going to add about 9 more that I've created emails to put in this campaign. So when they opt in to this, my capture page that I created, they're inside of my email campaign. Okay, and what's going to happen is they're going to keep getting that opportunity and keep getting the Web Wealth System, and they might not bite on the first one, they might not bite on the second one, they might not bite on the third one. But I think Martin had posted today in the actual group that Terry had a prospect that had opted into one of his opportunities like 18 months ago, and it wasn't until yesterday till he actually, you know, bought the product. So email marketing works, guys. It works. And by using these capture pages and things like that, you're capturing their information. That's where the money is, guys. Building a relationship with your prospects and people that are interested in your business and building your list. That's where the money is. It might not happen right away, but as you can see, 18 months later, he converted a sale. So that's where your money is, guys. When you have a capture page and you're getting their information, that's where your money is at. That's where you're going to make your money. It's from capturing your leads, their name and email, because you can always come back to them. They will always keep getting that information until they unsubscribe from your list. Okay. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope that this can help you guys, better convert. And like I said, guys, there's always more than one way to skin a cat when it comes to marketing. Okay, you have to think outside the box. A lot of us were saying, well, I wish it was a way that I could, convert better and think, well, this is one way. I stepped outside the box. I just didn't use what the web wealth system gave me. As a marketer, I had to think outside the box and be creative to create different ways to get leads, traffic, and be able to convert those leads. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful, and I thank you guys for watching it. If you want more information about the conversion pros or whatever, anything that I have talked about in this video, and you want more information, guys, all the information will be at the bottom of this video. And I thank you again. Go ahead and like my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.